They can fully see you. This is the original. That's my view, right? Hey, welcome to Best Hombre. I'm Zaman, and today we're playing around with a $10 rear view mirror from Amazon. Let's see if it's worth 10 bucks. All right, so pretty big. So it has bits of rubber here. And like metal. This is metal. Seems pretty strong. There's no sticker to peel off. Let's check it out. So inside of the Atlas, pretty far away from this mirror. My mirror is like the SE doesn't have very much of anything on it, so I'm just going to see if this will go on one-handed here. Put it on the top there. Yeah, I can do that. Okay, that looks good. So you do see like way out to the sides. So if I'm looking point of view, this is the original. That's my view, right? That's my view. And so if we're looking at this, I think the quality of the lens is a little lower than the original OEM lens. There's some funny mirror stuff going around the edges, and you can tell that there's not, like, see, if you look here, if I look at see, there it is. See the funny mirror stuff? Look at this line. That's the window of the trunk, straight line. If I go up, you see it starts to change all funny. Pretty nice. You do get the blind spot. So essentially, like when somebody's driving behind you, you'll be able to see them and passing you. You'll be able to see them here as they pass you, and then you'll be able, right before they get into your visibility here, so that they're never really in your blind spot, because that's your blind spot right there. So it covers that essentially, and it will cover that on this side as well. Now the thing that doesn't work for this is that this is a big car with a big windshield and a lot of room here, and I thought, oh man, this is great because this is such a huge space. But if you use your visors, it's going to essentially just like remove that extra whatever that you're getting to cover the blind spot. It just absolutely destroys it. So, and you really can't, it starts to hit it. It can't get the visor all the way up. You can try to put the visor all the way up and run with your visors always 100%, and then reinstall this 100% coverage. But I don't know if I want to do that. This still works. So if somebody's in blinding you with crazy headlights, you can just do that. So that will still work. I mean, for 10 bucks, it's not bad. I'm going to use it. I'm going to continue to use it. I'm not returning it. For $10, it'll stay until I get something else. I eventually want to get one of those camera rear view mirrors that has the dash cam and the rear view camera, but I haven't decided on one yet, so I'll let you know when, once we get to that step. But for now, this is a nice little upgrade. It's nice to be able to see people coming to the side of you. What's also interesting is that basically you can have a full conversation with people in the back seat, because they can fully see you. It's not like they just see the top. They see your full face, and you can see their full face, because you can really see into, I know you can't see into this car. 1 second. I don't know if that really did much, but yeah, you can see their whole back seat. So there is one thing I noticed. If you're listening to music, and I have a stock radio system, it's not, I don't have any subwoofers or anything, but this mirror is shaking like I have two 12-inch Type R's in the back or something like that, some kicker solo barracks. It is shaking. I can't play the music for copyright purposes. Hilarious. Yeah, doesn't bother me though.